breaks upon the sea. The wind has set our spirits free. Long ships cut through silver foam. Every wave will lead us home. Raise the sail against the sky. Watch the northern eagles fly. Every sunrise lights the way to lands we've only dreamed one day. Hear the ocean, feel the wind. Together the horizon calls our name. Beyond the horizon we will sail, where fearless hearts will never fail. Through storm and rain, through darkest night, together we will chase the light. Raise your oars, lift your voice. Adventure is our only choice. The stars become our faithful guide, the endless sea our place of pride. No fear can stop a heart that's free when brothers sail as one at sea. Every wave tells tales untold. Every dawn is worth its gold. Though the shore has disappeared, together we have nothing fear. If I should fall, remember me within the song of every sea. Sail on, sail Beyond the horizon, our banners fly. Beneath the endless northern sky, the sea may roar, the winds may cry, but Vikings never say goodbye. Our hearts belong to wave and foam, for every voyage leads us beyond the horizon. Men's choir, ho hey, ho hey. Morning breaks upon the sea. The wind has set our spirits free. Long ships cut through silver foam. Every wave will lead us home. Raise the sail against the sky. Watch the northern eagles fly. Every sunrise lights the way to lands we've only dreamed one day. Hear the ocean, feel the wind, feel the wind. Together the horizon calls our name. Beyond the horizon we will sail, where fearless hearts will never Lift your voice, adventure is our only choice. The stars become our faithful guide, the endless sea our place of pride. No fear can stop a heart that's free, when brothers sail as one at sea. Every wave tells tales untold, every dawn is worth its gold. Though the shore has disappeared, together we have nothing feared. If I should fall, remember me within the song of every sea. Sail on, sail on, sail on. Our banners fly beneath the endless northern sky. The sea may roar, the winds may cry, but Vikings never